we divide 253 by 5 in long division method. 5 times 5 is 25. On subtracting, we get 0. So now we put down these 3 and 5 times 0 means 0. On subtracting, we get 3. So now we have no any number to put it down. So we take here decimal, so that we put 0. So it is 30 and 5 times 6 is 30. On subtracting, we get 0. So 253 divided by 5 is 50.6. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.